When should I install my snow tires? And the answer is very simple. It's when you expect the temperature to drop below 7 degrees Celsius. That's about it. So when the weather starts to get cold and the temperature drops below 7 degrees Celsius, your all-season tires and your summer tires especially, they stop working that well. They become ineffective in a sense because the rubber that they're made out of can't stay soft during these cold temperatures. And when you have a hard and stiff tire that's trying to grip the road, it's not gonna work that well because it can't really shape the face of the roads and the imperfections. So it's kind of like a hockey puck sliding against ice. Could you imagine if your tires were hockey pucks? It's not good. That's when you have the savior snow tire. But I want you to think of these tires as cold weather tires. When you start to think about it like that, you'll understand it a lot better. These tires, they're made out of this special rubber. Because of this rubber, they can stay soft below temperatures of 7 degrees Celsius. So it's not really the tread design that makes snow tires work better. It's actually the rubber that they're made out of. And that's what sets them apart from all seasons and summer tires. All season tires, although they are called all season tires, should not really be used in winter. They should be called 3-season tires because they're not able to stay soft. They're not able to basically do the job of a snow tire, which is to grip the road. A softer tire works way better in winter. It can shape the road better. It can conform to the imperfections of the road. Where you have a stiff tire, you're not gonna have that traction there. You're gonna lose that traction. You're just not gonna get the same feel that you would if you had your snow tires on. So don't wait till the first snowfall or like when the roads are starting to get slippery and there's black ice forming, you almost get into an accident and then you realize maybe I should have had my snow tires on. The whole point of you watching this video is either because you have a set of snow tires ready or you're thinking about buying them and you just don't know when you want to put them on. The best time to put them on is on temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius. All you gotta do is monitor the temperature. Snow tires are effective. That's why they work better than all seasons and summers. The rubber is designed to be handled in these cold temperatures. When it starts to get close to 7 degrees Celsius, then think about putting them on. So yeah. So with all that information, you become the expert and I can just come up to you and say, when do you think I should put my snow tires on? Come on, man, I said it in the beginning of the video, like, you're not paying attention. Why don't you try again? I said it a bunch of times. Temperature, think about temperature. You're not trying, are you? Alright, you're just picking the same answer now, like you're not really... I'm actually very disappointed. You just want to waste my time? I made this video for you. I want to teach you guys something. Fucking play games, huh? You think I wanted to do this? Please, please, for me, pick below 7 degrees Celsius. I'm sorry.